When you raise chickens, of course, you have to have a chicken coop or chicken house. So this is our chicken coop. We have 9 chickens. They're mostly egg layers. We have 2 roosters and 7 hens. It's fresh wood chips. They have the heat lamp. They need it for winter time for them to survive during winter. I got their fresh food, fresh water, of course, heated, especially during winter. You gotta take care of your chickens because they produce eggs, give you eggs every day. We consume the eggs. Thanks, chickens. They're everywhere. There they are. It's warm day today, so they're everywhere. We let them roam around because they want the freedom, of course, just like humans. They like freedom, so they want to roam around. There's a mama hen, white mama hen. Alright, that's it for today. Fresh chicken poop, a fresh chicken house, fresh chicken coop.